Whole damn thing is about decisions. Little, seemingly insignificant decisions that clear the road for monster truck life-altering ones.
우리는 매 순간 선택 앞에 서 있습니다. 그리고 어떤 선택은 되돌릴 수 없죠. 꽃을 든 채 병원 복도에 서 있는 남자.
One who deserves the stars and the moon. All I got are these damn flowers.
무언가 중대한 결정을 앞두고 있는 듯합니다. 간절함이 느껴지는 한마디. 7년 전 대체 무슨 일이 있었던 걸까요? 바람둥이처럼 보이는 이웃 남자. 타고난 말솜씨로 여자들의 마음을 사로잡았습니다. 하지만 누구에게도 진심을 주지 않았죠.
Hey Travis, got time to grab a beer before y'all take off? It'll be really fast, I promise.
She's back. Just like a boomerang.
만나고 헤어지길 반복. 그에게 사랑은 가벼운 게임이었습니다.
Boomerang.
Y'all better start talking. We were about to call.
Jumping in the boat. Press tag, bro.
그의 집 앞엔 의자가 딱 하나. 혼자의 길 선택한 남자였죠. 그러던 어느 날 옆집에 새로운 이웃이 이사 왔습니다.
Get out of there. Fiska's gonna make.
Hi Travis.
Nah.
How you feeling, honey? Distended abdomen. This is like Dirty Dancing all over again. No, he didn't.
You're my new neighbor, aren't you? I seen you over there watching.
Oh
just
my
kidding
God.
with you. I'm just beer.
I'm fine.
Come on, have a beer. We got okay. Certain type of woman that usually shows up here, usually only after one thing.
Oh my God. Implying I'm here for sex?
You are, aren't you?
My God.
첫 만남부터 불꽃이 튀었습니다.
So angry about?
I'm angry about Molly's nipple. Girl, now her nipples are swollen. She's gained 15 pounds. She'll not get out of bed. And no, Moby there knocked up my dog.
Moby there knocked up your
That's
dog.
right.
So many times about using protection.
Don't patronize.
You're right. This is
Unbelievable.
serious. This is serious. So how do you even know she's pregnant?
Because I'm a medical student and I'm also.
개비 홀랜드, 의대생이었고 남자친구도 있었습니다. 이 남자와 엮일 이유가 전혀 없었죠.
Fantastic clinic right here in town. It's kind of a father-son dad. I mean, this is not going to be one of them dirty dancing.
Somebody say dirty dancing.
Oh my God.
I'll get you the card.
I'm good. I'm good.
Good night.
서로에게 최악의 첫인상을 남긴 두 사람.
Who was that?
This is a new name. Already bothering the heck out of me. What?
I'll tell you later.
Dad says hi.
하지만 운명은 이미 시작되고 있었습니다.
How would patients respond to you, Gabby?
Thank you, doctor.
개비에겐 남자친구가 있었습니다. 라이언 맥카시, 의사 집안의 아들이자 모든 게 완벽해 보이는 남자였죠.
Gabby, I'd like to have a word in private.
Oh, your dad. I was coming for dinner tonight. I have to
Sit him on this
study.
side of the bridge where I can keep you handcuffed.
완벽해 보이지만 어딘가 숨막히는 사랑이었습니다. 며칠 후 개비는 몰리를 데리고 동물병원을 찾았습니다.
3 nuggets. So congratulations. In a month you're going to be a grandma. Responsible party might be?
Responsible?
I meant the dog.
That the suspect in question was neutered 7 months ago, Pop. Well, cavalier of you to point fingers at
그런데 이 남자, 알고 보니 수의사였습니다.
with basic anatomy, you know.
You tricked me.
All upset, and then my sister shows up.
개비의 추측은 완전히 빗나갔습니다.
What do you say we settle this over a drink at Dockside?
민망함과 짜증이 동시에 밀려왔겠죠. 며칠 후 놀이동산, 트래비스는 친구들, 가족과 함께였습니다. 그리고 전 여자친구 모니카도.
And they've been on and off since high school. He ain't ever gonna commit.
Remember the other night in the kitchen when I said, "Uh-oh"?
Yeah.
You just met your wife.
Well, look who it is.
Can't seem to get away.
Turns out you were right. We do need tickets for the bigger ride.
Travis, my vet, my boyfriend.
You wanna ride that rusty old cycle?
어색한 인사. 트래비스는 웃었지만 눈빛은 달랐습니다.
Gabby, see you back at the ranch.
So my neighbor.
이웃이자 라이벌, 두 남자의 첫 만남이었습니다. 며칠이 지났습니다. 이상하게도 자꾸 눈이 가는 두 사람. 분명 짜증나는 이웃인데 왜 자꾸 쳐다보게 될까요? 개비는 예비 시부모와 골프를 치고 완벽한 며느리처럼 보였죠.
We've been playing since I was 9.
Gracious.
I got kind of good.
하지만 라이언은 병원 개원 때문에 잠시 떠나야 했습니다.
In a few weeks.
I know.
잠시 떨어져 있게 된 두 사람.
Gabby and Ryan will be opening that Savannah facility together. See, I can do that. Do it.
It was like you and Monica are picking up right where you left off.
Why are you busting my chops about this?
I know you. I'm just saying, maybe instead of overalls, your opportunity is dressed up in greenhouse bull scrubs and lives about 100 feet from your back door.
여동생은 알아챘습니다. 오빠가 옆집 여자를 의식하고 있다는 걸. 그러던 어느 날 새벽
Can you open
몰리의 출산이 임박했습니다.
the puppies? Thank you.
선택의 여지가 없었습니다.
Gabby, we're all good now. She got a uterine prolapse.
So much pain. What am I gonna do with all you?
Probably take her in to monitor.
I thought you just said she was okay.
It's just a precaution. All right.
Thank you, Travis.
I think that's the first time you said my name.
If you see a man sleeping on a cold floor, there's sure to be a beautiful woman
그날
nearby.
밤 트래비스는 처음으로 누군가를 위해 차가운 바닥에서 잠들었습니다. 미움이 고마움으로 바뀌는 순간 두 사람 사이의 벽이 조금씩 허물어지기 시작했습니다.
Hey, where's Monica at?
Monica's sitting this one out.
그렇게 두 사람은 자연스럽게 가까워졌습니다.
Be nice. You know how to pick 'em, Trav.
라이언이 없는 동안 개비는 트래비스 친구들과 어울리게 됐죠.
Mind if we join you? Hi. Sweatshirt, are you crazy?
Don't even think about it.
Well, for that time. What about that guy?
My knucklehead brother. You tell me.
Has never been in love because he backs up. Why he has that chair? You know, I sure like talking to you.
You are in so much more trouble than I thought.
Is this seat taken?
No, it is not.
My friends like you better than they like me. Not funny, not smart, nothing to look at.
No, you feel quite mediocre. I love it here.
I'm really glad you came.
I haven't felt like that in a while.
라이언과 있을 때와는 다른 감정. 개비도 느끼고 있었습니다.
Throw some red meat on the grill. Tell a few lies.
Has anyone ever said no to you before? I'm making history.
거절당한 트래비스.
Said no to us, Sting.
하지만 개비가 먼저 손을 내밀었습니다.
Yeah.
모비를 통한 저녁 초대. 개비는 결국 응했죠.
I brought wine.
Thank you.
Well, the young'uns are looking good. I think they're down for the night. Hang on a minute. Is this you right here?
Yeah, it's my favorite memory. A hurricane washed it all away though when I was 12. Broke my heart. Dinner is served on the easternmost botanical mezzanine. Makes you wonder where it all comes from, doesn't it?
Not really.
So you don't believe in God?
Moby, come here. Watch this. How he pushes back. And I know it sounds stupid. It's love. Friends, your family, yourself. And that's what I believe.
신을 믿지 않는다는 트래비스. 그 눈빛엔 어떤 상처가 보였습니다.
The couple that used to live here, they used to have music playing all day and all night. And then you'd see them out in the grass dancing together on their anniversary.
I love that story.
Did you just spin?
Yeah.
You gonna dance with me out on the grass?
Because if I made it easy, you wouldn't flirt anymore. I shouldn't have said that. What are you doing?
Walking towards you. Because if I ran, that's scary.
I knew from the moment I saw you that you're trouble. Stupid. Why did you do that?
그날 밤 두 사람은 처음으로 진심을 나눴습니다. 가벼운 남자인 줄 알았는데 의외로 깊은 사람이었습니다.
Didn't want to wake you. Had to get my exhausted butt to work. Don't go far, Gabby. This is just starting to get good.
Hey, babe, it's me. I'm sorry for calling so late. Listen, I'm trying to get back as soon as I can, but I still have a lot of work.
완벽한 남자친구의 목소리. 하지만 개비의 마음은 이미 흔들리고 있었습니다. 그 후로 두 사람은 함께하는 시간이 늘어갔습니다.
Guess we could just hang here.
Did you hear that? Come on!
No way I'm stepping foot in that church.
교회를 극도로 거부하는 트래비스. 그에겐 신을 원망할 만한 과거가 있었습니다. 하지만 개비를 위해 처음으로 발을 들였죠.
I'm gonna burst into flames.
아버지도 놀랐습니다. 아들이 교회에 온 건 오랜만이었으니까요.
You're a miracle worker, you know. It takes real guile to.
그날은 특별한 날이었습니다.
I got the cake. Where's Dad?
Yonder. Mind me inviting Gabby. We're a tradition, just us and Dad.
I hate tradition.
No, it was your birthday. I would have gotten you a present.
It's Catherine's. She had cancer, you know.
트래비스 어머니의 생일.
Mad at the world. I kind of fell into the Bible. He wanted to burn it, you know.
Oh, I think he turned out all right.
14살의 엄마를 잃은 소년. 그는 그렇게 신을 원망하며 자랐습니다.
Happy birthday. Tradition to endure a little ceremonial cake.
2, 3.
개비는 자연스럽게 가족의 일원이 되어가고 있었죠. 상처를 알게 된 후 개비는 그를 더 깊이 이해하게 됐습니다.
There's something I want to show you.
Okay.
All right, so what I'm about to show you, I've never shown anybody, so you can't tell a soul, all right?
Okay.
Watch me. You're welcome.
트래비스만의 비밀 장소. 그의 할아버지가 알려준 작은 섬이었죠.
This is where I come when I want to be alone. I don't know, I wanted to show it to you.
It's unbelievable.
For meeting again. The stars in the moon.
Let's just stay here forever.
두 사람만의 세계. 이 순간만큼은 완벽했습니다.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah.
하지만 현실은 기다려주지 않았습니다.
Hey, babe. How are you?
Yeah.
Hey, meet me at Dockside at 7.
라이언이 돌아왔습니다.
Gabby. Hi. Come on, my parents are over here. Let's.
개비는 선택의 기로에 섰습니다. 완벽한 남자친구, 완벽한 가족. 하지만 개비의 눈은 다른 곳을 향했죠.
Why don't you pull up a chair and join us?
Doc, I like to. I got an early morning. I just. Good night, Chuck.
어색한 마주침. 개비는 라이언이 온 걸 말하지 않았습니다.
I'll be just.
Where are you going? Gabby.
Travis. I didn't know he was coming. How are you gonna tell I don't know.
As soon as summer camp's over, rich girls go home to their rich boyfriends.
It happened so fast. We got caught up.
Caught up. We had an amazing time. One of those. Say it again. I love you. I say it a million times. I love you. Let's stay here forever.
트래비스는 고백했지만 개비는 대답하지 못했습니다.
That's what you wanted.
No.
트래비스가 떠난 후 개비는
After you
결심했습니다.
left, I told Ryan everything.
라이언에게 모든 걸 털어놨습니다.
But in the morning, he came back. To marry him. To thinking that life is held together by choices.
라이언은 분노했지만 결국 개비를 놓지 않으려
Right or
했죠.
wrong doesn't matter. Because life just keeps unfolding. Because if that's true,
You seem like you're somewhere else tonight.
Just a little wiped out.
You'll never look at me the way you look at her. Any woman wants. There's a man who's gonna.
전 여자친구의 조언.
You know, she looks at you the same way.
트래비스는 결심했습니다.
Gabby. Go when they break up their engagements.
True feelings were at odds with the.
트래비스는 개비를 찾아 찰스턴까지 달려갔습니다.
Are you expected, sir? Young man here is looking for Miss Gabriella.
I believe she's returning from the stables.
Hi.
You!
Love Gabby something terrible, and I was hoping I could take her off your hands.
You might want to ask her parents.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Why are you here?
I love you.
Gosh, you do too. Knew it the second you.
놀랍게도 개비 부모님은 트래비스 편이었습니다.
You got a ring?
No. What the hell is going on here?
This was her grandma.
You should probably take a knee, son.
So all I need is a lifetime to prove it to you.
No.
Well, yes.
No.
Be my wife.
결국 개비는 선택했습니다. 완벽해 보이는 남자 대신 자신을 괴롭히는 남자를. 그렇게 두 사람은 함께하기로 했습니다. 낚시도 하고 아이들과 놀기도 하고 평범하지만 완벽한 일상이었죠. 두 아이의 아빠가 된 트래비스. 그는 더 이상 혼자가 아니었습니다.
So I'm gonna head out now. Ordering the most expensive thing on the menu.
Ooh, a date sounds.
Reservations for show.
Man, we're closed.
Oh, wait.
바쁜 일상 속에서도 둘만의 시간을 만들려 했습니다. 하지만 그날도 약속을 지키지 못했습니다. 개비는 또 혼자 기다렸습니다.
I'm on my way. Had a feline emergency. I love you and I'll see you in a sec.
트래비스는 뒤늦게 부재 중 전화를 확인했습니다. 개비가 교통사고를 당했습니다. 그녀는 혼수 상태에 빠졌습니다.
Boy, do I got a choice I gotta make.
Oh, it's for someone special?
All I got are these damn flowers. I'm just here to talk to her. Too easy on me, Ryan.
Too hard on you, Travis.
Delphiniums. Her favorite. She's all yours.
트래비스는 매일 병원을 찾았습니다.
Hey, babe.
90일, 의사가 말한 시간이었습니다.
I got a decision I gotta make. I've been putting it off.
개비는 생전에 연명치료 거부 서류에 서명해뒀습니다. 하지만 트래비스는 받아들일 수 없었죠.
About my pickup truck. Rebuild. All right, great. What's going on in the head of yours? Back to me, baby. Come, Father.
All right, here we go, please.
Oops. Cheating since round two.
Heaven!
I'm afraid there's...
I just wanted you to know that.
What we got next?
You do the voices. Mommy always did the voices. Who are you? I am Willa.
Mark, we need to know you're prepared to carry out her wishes.
No. It's not.
It's been a long time since she's breathed on her own. She's tired.
Wish I could breathe for you, baby. Come home.
그는 매일 같은 자리에서 기도했습니다. 신을 믿지 않는 남자가
Remember her coming home. I'd give anything just to be able to tell her what.
Hey.
Hey.
She's a good listener.
Boy, that's not what she would want. That's not what I told her. Today, I would have the strength. Just not ready to let her go. I just can't do it yet.
You did what your heart told you. And if anybody has anything to say about that, they gotta go through me.
선택의 순간, 트래비스는 포기하지 않기로 했습니다. 그날 밤,
Saddle up. Come on, ready.
허리케인이 왔습니다.
Looks like the old place could do with a lick of paint.
I should have been there.
Get that out of your head and start rebuilding.
폭풍이 지나가고 모비가 뭔가를 찾아왔습니다. 개비의 물건. 트래비스는 그걸 보며 다시 한번 다짐했습니다.
Boy, good boy.
What's he doing out there, Grandpa?
Going a little crazy.
그 순간 기적이 일어났습니다. 개비가 깨어났습니다.
You're late.
트래비스는 눈물을 참지 못했죠.
Hi, Mommy.
개비가 집으로 돌아왔습니다.
Somebody is dying to meet you.
모두가 기다린 순간이었죠. 결국 지키지 못했던 약속. 이번엔 지킬 수 있었습니다.
Sure. Welcome to the rain check date. Kids have been cooking all day. I'm nervous.
So am I.
I had a lot of time to think about what I'd say if. And
Travis, I heard you. Every word that you said. Breathing for me, baby. We got through this together.
you reckon Moby had this all planned from the get-go?
What about my sweet innocent Molly?
서로를 괴롭히는 두 사람. 하지만 그게 그들의 사랑이었습니다.
Worried about this pot roast. Probably gonna have to order beans.
트래비스의 비밀 장소.
Ready? One.
이제 이름이 생겼습니다. 그녀를 위한 장소가 됐죠. 삶은 선택의 연속입니다. 사소한 결정이 인생을 바꾸기도 하죠. 트래비스는 포기하지 않는 선택을 했고 개비는 돌아오는 선택을 했습니다. 어떤 선택이 옳은지는 아무도 모릅니다. 하지만 한 가지는 확실하죠. 사랑하는 사람을 위한 선택은 절대 후회되지 않는다는 것. 지금까지 영화 더 초이스였습니다.